Let's talk peri bottles. My name's Sydney. I'm a labor and delivery nurse. I've also been a postpartum nurse. Peri bottles are so important. If you are gonna pack anything in your hospital bag, peri bottles, okay? I will say the hospital will provide you with one that looks like this. Nothing wrong with her. She's cute, she's little, she gets the job done, okay? So if you don't wanna spend extra money, the hospital will give you this and you can bring it home with you, okay? It works really, really well. But if you want to splurge and get something else or add it to your baby registry, because you're going to need it, one like this. This is an angled peri bottle. The reason why I love this is because it holds a larger amount of fluid compared to this one. I know it doesn't really look like it on camera, but I compared the milliliters and this one holds about 100 milliliters more than the hospital provided one, which is really nice because then you don't have to get up or get someone to fill this up so that you can finish peeing, if you know what I mean. It also comes with the angled tip so that when you're actually going to the washroom, you don't have to awkwardly put your hand like in the toilet bowl, like get your foot up in. You can just put this down there and spray, and it's as easy as that. This one's a little bit hard. I mean, it's not, there is water in this. It's not impossible to use, okay? I'm not gonna sway you completely because it's still, some people love this one still. You can still easily use it, but sometimes like the way your hand is getting in the toilet bowl, it's a little bit more challenging. You know, if you have a best friend who's asking, hey, what can I get you for your birth, for a baby? Tell them to get you one of these. Okay, but Sydney, how do we actually use it and why do we use it? Peri bottles dilute urine. Okay, and urine is very acidic. And if you have any cuts or scrapes or stitches down there, which if you've just pushed out a baby, it's probably gonna have at least a paper cut. And when you go to pee, it's gonna burn, it's gonna burn, it's gonna burn. So peri bottles help to dilute that urine so that it's not as acidic, so that when you actually pee, it doesn't hurt anymore. It's also really great for cleansing down there. So even if you've had a C-section, sometimes this can still be really helpful because you're gonna be sore, so you're not gonna be able to reach and clean like you normally would. I know a lot of my C-section patients who actually really love the peri bottle because it's just, you're gonna be bleeding a lot after giving birth, even if you had a C-section. So this helps to kind of clean things up, keep things neat and tidy. And when things are clean, that means that there's less risk for infection to brew, which is what we do not want to happen. We do not want to get a postpartum infection down there. So once you're done using your peri bottle and you've gone pee, you've gone poop, you've done your business, what you're going to do is grab either a clean wipe that is unscented, okay? We do not want any scents, no soap, nothing, just water down there. And also just use toilet paper. And you're gonna just dab, 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 dab. Okay, that's it. Dab, 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 throw it in the toilet, done. You can get your pad ready to go or your postpartum undies, whatever you've got going on, mama diaper, and you throw that on and then you're good to go until you need to go pee again.